Alrighty, Jeffrey, here's your 363 small block Ford. Just got done running. Everything went great. Few description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads. Got one of our custom ground hydraulic rollers, custom pistons. Got the Aviaid floor pan on it. Got the GT40 front end. Obviously, Borla stack injection. Great system. Fuel management. Terminator X. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 30, let's see here, we get 3,500, 435 for torque. Looks like a peaks torque 463, really flat there. And peaks horsepower 511. So we rated it at 530, front end's about 20, so everything's good. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.